Good evening, Central New York. I'm meteorologist Brian Donegan. If you're stepping outside this evening, you might want to grab the heavier jacket because by 8 o'clock, we're going to be down to around 30 here in Syracuse, dropping into the upper 20s throughout the evening hours. But the key word here is just a few showers. There's many breaks in between. And now these are going to be approaching New York State tomorrow afternoon. But since they're so scattered, there's going to be more dry periods than there will be wet periods tomorrow afternoon. We can time that for you in your timecast in just a little bit. For tomorrow, though, we are watching a cold front out over the Great Lakes. You can see the front right around here over Michigan as there's a line of showers and thunderstorms pushing eastward. They'll work their way into central New York tomorrow morning, and they could impact the morning commute. For Sunday, even cooler to start, only 54 in the morning, but we do recover a couple degrees warmer than Saturday. We'll finish the day in the mid-70s, around 77 or so.
We'll take a look outside with our meteorologist, Brian Donegan.
What's it looking like out there, Brian?
Thanks, Brittany. Boy, was it nice outside today. We got to 74 degrees today. It felt more like September than October, if you ask me. And we're going to get one more nice day tomorrow before the cold front starts bringing in some rain, and then Hurricane Sandy starts moving into our area. I just want to mention that where the eye wall is, that's where the strongest winds are. That's the area around the eye, around the center of the storm. But on the northeast side of the eye wall, that's where the strongest winds are found. So places like New York City, they're probably going to get the strongest of the winds because the storm's passing to their south and west. So up where New York City is, that's where the strongest winds are. Where's it tracking? Well, there's a lot of uncertainty as it goes up the coast. It can make landfall anywhere from, say, Washington, D.C. to as far north as Maine. But if you take the average of this cone, it can make landfall somewhere right around New York City. So that could be a big problem if it does take that path right down the middle of the cone. So what does that mean for coastal areas? Well, lots of rain, some damaging winds as well. Here in central New York, we could see some gusty winds next week, but the biggest threat I'm worried about is definitely the rain.
So right now we just got confirmation, if you want to read that off.
Sandy has or is very close to making landfall somewhere near Atlantic City, New Jersey. They've already received, listen to this number, 7.73 inches of rain just in the past 24 hours. On Sunday, look at that, we're up near 70, but there'll be a few showers around then, and the same on Monday. By Tuesday, we're back down to around 60, but with returning sunshine. So it's kind of a half and half weekend, just get to escape the cold temperatures tomorrow night, Saturday morning. So
I think I'll take the rain and the warm weather over the dry, cold, wet thing or whatever. I don't know. I just want to be warm again.
I'm with you there. Sunday is not looking bad. 68. I mean, come on, it's right? October. Right now, though, it's 32 in Syracuse. Chilly evening. Bring the jacket. 35 down in Tully. Moving up north towards Oswego County, it's 33. It's also in the low 30s right now in Fulton. Here's your satellite and radar picture. You can see there's plenty of clouds across New York State right now. They're actually going to be thickening through the night tonight, and that's actually going to help keep temperatures up as we go through the overnight hours. Now, by lunchtime tomorrow, 12 o'clock, you can see down here in the bottom left corner of your screen a few showers starting to come in from the south and west, but temperatures, look at this, they're pretty mild. We're in the mid-40s in Syracuse, low 40s up across Oswego County, and down towards Ithaca, we're also around 40 degrees. Now, your three-day planner, just to recap, 44 tomorrow with a few afternoon showers. Take the umbrella just to be safe. Then on Saturday, again, just a few showers, more dry periods than wet periods. Warmer, though, we'll be around 50. We cool down a bit for Sunday. Sun in the morning and some afternoon showers are possible. Now, your 7-day forecast. Monday, look at this, a warm day. We're in the mid-50s in early December here in upstate New York. That's pretty incredible. But it's going to be a windy day with a chance of rain showers, probably our best chance out of the next 7 days. So definitely take the umbrella when you're heading out to work or school on Monday morning. Tuesday, much cooler after a cold front comes through, only in the mid-30s with some snow showers. Then more seasonable temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday with sun and clouds.
So I brought Brian up. Brian goes to what high school? I forgot already.
Sterling High School.
Sterling High School, the Knights.
Yeah.
Okay, he's here. Give me today's forecast because there's going to be a change midday.
Yeah, it'll be 64 for a high around midday, probably, maybe 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Thunder showers on and off, warm and windy, and then around 1 o'clock for the rest of the afternoon, temperatures will fall, probably to around 51 by 4 o'clock.
Good Thursday evening, Oswego. I'm meteorologist Brian Donegan. Happy Friday Eve. Let's get right to your forecast for tonight. Some snow showers and flurries, just a general trace to 1 inch, perhaps 1 to 3 for the Tug Hill. But it's going to be a cold night regardless, 20 to 25 for the low. Now let's take a look at your weather tap radar. Not much going on in our area right now, just a few flurries out there. There's some snow to the north. That's going to miss us. It's moving towards the east. But I do believe there will be some lake effect snow showers developing just to the south and east of Lake Ontario later tonight, so you may need the snow brush in the morning. Now your TOP weather headlines, let's take a look. Snow showers and flurries tonight, as I mentioned, just trace to 1 inch or so. Then we'll have a cold finish to the week. Your Friday is going to struggle to get much above 32 degrees. But then beyond Friday, we'll be under a warming trend for the next 5 days or so. We'll take a look at how warm we're going to get coming up in the 5-day forecast. Let's take a look around the state now. There is a cold front. You can kind of see it here on the temperature map. We're in the 20s to the north. The cold front has already passed through here. Now it's moving south, so once it passes south, Syracuse will probably drop into the 30s and to the 20s later tonight. That's what's going to cause the lake effect snow to develop later on. Now for Friday, I'm watching this stationary front here. It's going to move up later as a warm front later in the weekend, but before it does that, there's going to be some light snow around for the day on Friday, probably late in the day and into the evening and overnight hours. So let's time that for you in your future cast. 7 a.m. when you're waking up to go out to class. Just a few clouds around Central New York. Nothing to worry about, but as I said, you may need the snow brush to clean off your car. By 1 o'clock tomorrow, when you're heading out to lunch or your afternoon class, not much going on still, but you can see there's a few rain and snow showers across the southern tier and the Finger Lakes. They're going to be tracking northward as we approach dinner time, say 7 o'clock, perhaps earlier. Those snow showers will enter our region, so there will be a few more snowflakes for you dodge tomorrow night. Now, there's going to be some mild air moving in for the second half of the weekend. The first half of next week, you can see Friday, Saturday. By Sunday, it approaches western New York, and by Monday and especially Tuesday, we're really going to feel the warmth here across Oswego County and central New York. Now your class day forecast for tomorrow, 27 to start, just some clouds around, but we'll warm up, not very much. It'll stay cold throughout the day, only to around 32 degrees by tomorrow afternoon with some snow showers and flurries late in the day, late afternoon towards dinner time, we'll call it. For tomorrow night, those snow showers and flurries, just a trace to 1 inch or so, drop down to near 30s, another cold night tomorrow night. Your 5-day forecast, cold tomorrow, then a bit milder on Saturday. We're in the mid-40s, just an early flurry. Then by Sunday, look at that, 56 degrees, just some afternoon rain showers, better than snow, I guess, if you're not a snow lover. Then on Monday, still mild with some rain showers around. And by Tuesday, another mild day, chance of some rain, again in the mid-50s. So we're going from barely above freezing tomorrow, and then into the 50s, about 10 to 20 degrees above normal by the second half of the weekend.